Hey there, guys. Okay, so basically, what for this project, what I had to do was a revision into two of my designs that I had done earlier. So what I did choose was to do my logo and my envelope, since I thought that those were the ones that needed a little bit more work. Now let's see. So if we go over to Illustrator, what I did choose to do with my envelope was to go on with my logo, recreate it a little bit. I just went ahead and took off the stroke because I realized that it looked a little bit better if I was to just leave it in a solid color, which is going to be the orange. And then I decided to add a brown eclipse just so that it could have a little bit more of dimension when it came to the coffee. And what I did with my line was just straighten it up from the top and give it a curve in the bottom, as well as clean up the edges because I did notice that they were a little bit messy. Then I did go with the curve tool and I decided to just pinch this inwards in order to be able to make it look like a more realistic bow. So from that, I did just go ahead and replace the picture that I had on the top. I did go ahead and leave the same font, but I did go ahead and make the letterings a little bit larger, just so that the reader is able to see it a little bit better. Okay, so let's see. Basically, instead of a 14, I do have a 14 in there. Before I had a 13, and in here, instead of having a 14, I just went ahead and did a 20 just so that it could enlarge the words a little bit better. And over here, I decided to go on everything with 20. Why I added this box or this little rectangular tool was just so that it could be like a paper bag. I don't know if you've ever seen these envelopes, but usually there's a little transparent area. That's what I kind of wanted to do with this, or give it the idea of. So yeah, that's basically what I have, guys. This is my project. And of course, if you have any other questions, any type of criticisms, I would definitely appreciate that. Thank you so much for looking at my video, and have a great day.